What's up guys? Nate and Calvin here. We're up here at Big Star Lake, up at my cottage. We're gonna be shooting a lake life video. We're gonna be doing some bottom bouncing, some wake surfing, some wakeboarding, all that fun stuff, shooting off fireworks for 4th of July. Hope it'll be fun, let's get it.
Just lay with me. Was this not away with me? You're mine. I can look away. I just gotta say.
Lily, trying to go bottom bouncing?
Okay.
Why not?
What is it?
It's when you jump off the boat.
I hope this works. Oh my god.
Yeah.
What are we doing, Trev?
Virgin pina coladas.
Say that again?
Pina colada.
Now I don't know where you come from, baby. Don't know where you've been, my baby. But heaven must have sent you. Heaven must have sent you. Heaven must have sent you.
Tom, you're so jacked. Yeah, David.
Wayne's World. Fun time. Excellent.
I can see it all. Baby, we should go. Get set, go. Take off.
Nate's finally getting a haircut.
How do I look? Nice? It's my dad's 50th birthday today. He's doing 100 push-ups for his birthday. Let's see him do it.
99!
Do you want to be on camera?
Where are you going?
Hey Lil, you want to be on camera?
No.
Why not?
No.
Hey, whoa!
Try to do that again.
I do not want to be on camera. Okay, Nate?
I found peace in your vibe.